Yo, what is up guys, Tiimedesign here, back again with a new video. On today's video, I'll be showing you guys the best money methods for this week to making millions of dollars or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in today's video. Now these money methods I'll be showing in today's video are perfect for everybody, for beginners to experienced players and just people that need money in general. So if these money methods here were helpful and you were able to make some money out of them, I would greatly appreciate it if you can go ahead and just comment it down below so other people who try these money methods will know they work and they can also go ahead and try them out and make millions in GTA 5 Online. And while you're at it, can you go ahead and just drop a like? It supports out the channel a whole bunch, and if you're new, consider subscribing. Now let's get into the video. Now the first money method for this week I'm going to be showing you is going to be the time trial for this week. Now if you don't know, basically it's the easiest way to ever make 100,000. So if you are a beginner player or just need money in GTA 5 Online, this is the fastest and easiest way to make 100,000, right? So head over to this location right here. This is the time trial for this week of the time recording this video. This is where it's located at, and the finish line is going to be right here on the pier next to this boot, right? So go into the waypoint over to this location. Now once you are at the time trial, all you want to do is go ahead and get a motorcycle. Now I recommend to go ahead and use this one, or if you can afford the Shitoro, you can also use the Batty 801. You can find it on the streets, or just go on Legendary and buy for $8,000, right? If you don't have 8,000, rob a store, you got it right there, okay? Now all you want to do is go ahead and follow the path I'm going to be taking. It's super simple. Just go and follow the path I'm going to be taking. That is really it. Now once you get to these train tracks, turn left and just go up the train tracks, follow them until you go onto the road. All right, so just keep on following these train tracks. Now make sure you be careful. Sometimes there might be a train here and you might hit it and then end up like losing time and all that, but yeah. Now once you're here, just go down to the sewage system down here. Just go follow the path right here. Basically, if you follow this path I'm showing you in today's video, you're guaranteed to finish it under 1 minute and 50 seconds. All right, now just keep on following it down here until you get to this location I'm going to be showing you right here. So once you get around this area, just go on top of here. Now be careful on here. You want to slow down just a little bit. Just be cautious of if there's any cars or truck that you might hit. You don't want to crash at all, because if you do crash, that is taking away time from your clock, and you do not want that. You want to complete the time trial under 1 minute and 50, okay? So keep on following the path I'm taking, all right? So keep on going straight, and right here there's gonna be a turn. You want to turn left, all right? So right here, once you're at this location, basically just go straight to the finish line and you get 100,000 just like that if you're under 1 minute 50, all right? Now for me, I was able to complete it in 1 minute and 30 seconds on the clock, right? So I still had 20 more seconds left. So if I would have crashed, I could have probably still able to complete, all right? There you go, 100,000 just like that. So if you are a beginner or just need money in GTA 5 Online super quick, this is the best way to make 100,000 in GTA 5 Online. And now let's go and check out the next money method for this week. Now the next money method for this week is going to be the RC Bandito time trial. Basically it's like just like the regular time trial, but the only thing is you need an RC Bandito for this one. So if you do not own the RC Bandito, just like skip this money method, because you need an RC Bandito. But if you do own an RC Bandito, come over to this location. It is an easy way to make 100,000 just like that. All you gotta do is complete the time trial under 2 minutes and you get 100,000 just like that. But you have to own the RC Bandito, all right? Now all you want to do is just follow the checkpoints. That's really it. I can't show you like no shortcuts because you gotta get the checkpoints under 2 minutes. So basically I'm just gonna go and speed this part up, because like I'm not gonna be showing you like checkpoints or anything. I mean, not checkpoints, like shortcuts or anything. You just gotta follow the checkpoints and you gotta get it on the time they give us, right? So that's basically it. So yeah, so there you go, I'm about to be able to complete it, and there you go, 100,000 just like that. I was able to complete it in 2 minutes and 1 second with 4 seconds still left, right? So if you do have an RC Bandito, this is also an easy way to make 100,000 just like that. So if you complete this one and the regular time trial, you literally get 200,000 in literally 2-3 minutes, 4 minutes, probably depends, all right? Now the next money method for this week, now this one here has multiple money methods, all right? But I can't show you guys all of them because the video would be like over 30 minutes or 20 minutes long, and I do not want that. But the first money method is going to be the bunker series, right? The bunker series is going to be double money and double RP, so you can start any one of these bunker series jobs with your friends and all that and just do them, right? Next up, the diamond series is going to be double money and double RP as well. I would recommend for you to go and start diamond kill quota, since down pays good as well, alright? Now the next series that is going to be double money and double RP is going to be the missile bases right here. This one's going to be double money and double RP. And the last and final one is gonna be Motor Wars. This one's gonna be triple money and triple RP. Alright, now this one, Motor Wars, is probably gonna be the best one out of this whole list, and second is gonna be Diamond Kill Quota. Alright, so yeah, this is out of the list, but as I said, if I did show you guys all of these money methods, the video would be over 20-30 minutes long, and I do not want that. Now this money method right here is going to be the Motor Wars. It is going to be triple money and triple RP for this week of the time recording this video and posting it. This is going to be triple money and triple RP. Now if you don't know what Motor Wars is, basically it is a battle royale for GTA 5 Online. If you played Fortnite, Warzone, or like Apex Legends and all that, basically it's the same exact thing. You try to land, you get guns, get a vehicle, and just try to be the last one alive, right? Now if you do want to make the most amount of money, alright, now keep in mind each round gives you about $40,000, right? So the more people and the more teams you have in a game, the more money you'll be able to make. Alright, so as you can see, 40,000 right there for the winning team. So if you do want to do this, if you have like the first to win 4 rounds, all you want to do is make each team win 3 rounds, right? And then at the end, when each team has 3 wins, all you want to do is just go ahead and just duel it out for like 4, like whoever gets the 4th win, and basically that is it. Like you literally get like 40,000 3 times, and then at the end you get paid a whole bunch. I hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. Like I hope it's not confusing, but as you guys can see, I got paid $140,000 right there with 15,000 RP. All right, so you guys can level up a whole bunch of levels, right? Now the next one is the Diamond Kill Quota. This is the one I said that is also really good. This one here makes you about $100,000 to almost $300,000 worth of money right here. So yeah, basically if it is literally gun game. If you ever play Call of Duty gun game, that is basically, alright, you literally start with like a little gun, and then you gotta make your way all the way to the final gun, right? Most of the time it ends up being a knife or something like that. So yeah, here you go. So this is how much we ended up getting for winning the match. We got paid $135,000, right? So if you are a beginner player or need money in GTA 5 Online or just want to have fun with your friends, these are the best money methods for this week out of this whole list, since they are double money and triple money RP. So yeah, you guys can make some crazy cash doing these right here. So now let's go ahead and check out the last and final money method for this week. Now the last and final money method for this week is going to be the bunker sell missions for this week. Now if you don't know, they are going to be double money and double RP when you sell your products for your bunker. Now if you do want to make the most amount of money for your bunker, make sure you have your staff set to manufacturing, right? Now come over to your manage staff and make sure it says here manufacturing. If it says research, you're not going to be making no money because it's going to be giving you research progress, and you do not want that. All right, make sure you have it set to manufacturing. And also if you do want to make the most amount of money, make sure you buy all of the upgrades for your bunker, because that makes you the most amount of money. Alright, so as you can see right here, I have $1,200,000 worth of supplies. Now if I did wait just a little bit more longer, I could have sold all of my supplies for $2 million to Los Santos, right? Since I got the bonus for selling it over there. Now also, if you do own the all of the upgrades, I recommend for you to go ahead and just buy the supplies, because it saves you a whole bunch of time and money and all that. Well, not money, but like time. All right, but yeah, so as you can see, I can sell to Los Santos for 1.8 million. And when you're selling this stuff, if you're gonna be selling like over $1 million worth of cargo, make sure you go ahead and sell in a public solo session. All right, now if you do not know how to do this, if you're on Xbox, I have a video link down below. Go ahead and check it out. It's gonna be in the description or probably pinned comment. Just you'll find it pinned or description. All right, one of those two, to make a public solo lobby. And make sure you have like some trusted people that can help you sell the stuff, because you don't want to do this with a troll and just end up getting your stuff blown up and all that. But as you can see, $1.8 million just like that. Now this year did able to, I think it took me like around 4 to 6 hours it took me to get like the full supplies and all that, like the stock. But yeah, honestly, this is the easiest way to make millions of dollars. So if you grind this from today, the time of posting this video, which is Thursday, to the end of this week when the all the stuff goes away, which is the end of Wednesday, just grind this out and you'll probably have over $10 million easily. All right, so hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I do post these type of money method videos every single week, so if you do need money in GTA 5 Online, make sure you turn on notifications, because I do drop these every single week. So yeah, TiimeDesign, sign out, peace.